Here you will see a new concept of pizza box packaging equipment. After the blanks printing, it can count and stack these pizza box blanks in presetting numbers. Then drive the bundles into the shrink wrapping machine to complete the final packaging. The whole process is fully automated, efficient, low cost, environmentally friendly. The packaging of pizza box blank is a very important part of the pizza chain stores. The expected number of pizza boxes can guarantee the operation of daily pizza shops without requiring a large amount of storage and occupying space. After the total storage center completes the bundling package, the shrink-wrapped bundle of pizza boxes is transported to each sub-point, which can effectively control the usage of each shops. The shrink packaging can also provide environmental protection, moisture-proof and dust-proof. This pizza box shrink packaging machine can be directly connected with the front printing machine. After the blank printing is completed, the front stacking conveyor can count and stack these pizza box blank in fixed quantity, and then send to the sealing and shrinking machine to complete the shrink bundling. The shrink bundling machine essentially creates a highly stable, weather-resistant unit out of the loose stack of corrugated sheets. The shrink bundling process is composed of 4 distinct stages in feed, film application, sealing, and shrinking. The entire process is automated, integrating seamlessly with the high-speed stacking conveyor that precedes it.
能帮我把那一包送进来就好了。
这我们现在没事，这个可以。